Building a website for your invitation designer service should not be complicated and it shouldn't be expensive either. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your invitation design service. Now, if you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed at all. So click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So let's go ahead and search for my market, invitation designer. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our invitation designer services so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue, let MultiSites work its magic with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the designs you've created for the invitations. You want to showcase your work on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all those services. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. It's super straightforward. You don't need to know any website coding, and you certainly don't need to get any help with this. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible, so I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Let's pop in our phone number. That is clicked to call, by the way, so customers can easily give you a call. Address, physical location, maybe you are a mobile business or you're strictly online, you can leave this off, but if you do have an address, pop it in over here. Great thing about that address, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top, as you can see, as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a logo for your business, go ahead and head over to update logo, browse your device, and upload it. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, you can check out canva.com or hatchful.com. I have personally tried both myself, and they're both great if you don't have a huge budget for a logo designer. Click on save. If you want to make amendments, click on that pencil, crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. But otherwise, if you're happy, click on save on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes available. There's plenty to choose from, and you don't need to know any color coding at all. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, head on back and click on connect your Instagram account. If you have one, automatically pull in all those images with a click of a button instead of uploading them all individually. And update action is where we can change those buttons, the text on them, and where the buttons link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with your various design options, so customers can have a closer look. Under the About Me section, be sure to tell us a little bit more about your business, how you got into the industry, make it more personalized, and your customers can get to know you. Now, at the bottom, we've got a lead generation form. Customers can reach out to here, potential customers with their queries and designs they'd like. You will find all your leads over in your Marti dashboard and get notified via your registered email address. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on the yellow button at the bottom. Otherwise, if you don't have a custom domain and you really want one to make your website look even more trustworthy, professional, stand out from all your competitors, you can click on that button as well and purchase one via the MultiSites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and sign up for that free trial to give the platform a go.